Sisemzimkhulu wezorhatsha kulapho itlaphaza khona ipoto yendaba ze-SABC nanzi ezitshutshileko.
I therefore do not wish to answer any question regarding my interaction with the EMPD.
uMatlala namhlanje usebenzisa amalungelo akhe omthethosisekelo welizwe wabhala ukuphendula imibuzo ephathelene nensolo ezimthintanisa noJulius Mkhwanazi. Uvele Khothoye eMdantsane ePumalanga Kapa umsolwa weminyaka ema-22 ubudala malungana nokubulawa kwekutani yezamaguduva uZolani Tete.
At the moment, I think he's really happy to join Pirates.
It's a very big week for us, playing the same team 3 times.
Inkutani zebhetwe Premiership Orlando Pirates izimisele ukuhlala isesiqongolweni seligi kusesenje. Siyakhuleka mzomkhulu ekhaya siphethe indaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC1 akwandela ukhona. Nguragele phambili namhlanje ukulalelwa kobufakazi bomsolwa wobelelesi uVusumuzi Matlala ngemva kokuthi amagqwetha kasijamise kwesikhatshana isibawu sakhe selungelo lokungazihobeli. Nanyana kunjalo uMatlala uragele phambili wasebenzisa amalungelo akhe omthethosisekelo welizwe wabhala ukuphendula imibuzo ephathelene nensolo ezithintanisa namkha ezimthintanisa noJulius Mkhwanazi umphathi wamapholisa wendlela eKuruleni kunye noNgqongqotjhe walokho wamapholisa uBheki Cele. Kunye nendaba yokusiwa kwempala ku-Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya nokuthi wakatelelwa na ukuthi anikele ngobufakazi obumamala phambi kwekomiti yeParlamente nokhunye okuningi.
Buragile namhlanje ubufakazi bomsolwa wobelelesi uVusumuzi Matlala phambi kwekomishini kaMadlanga. Nanyana kunjalo uMatlala akhange aragele phambili nokuphendula nge-affidavit ngombana athi batsho uvikela ilungelo lakhe lokuzihobela. Indabezi zifaka hlangana indaba yobudlelwano bakhe nomphathi wamapholisa wendlela weKuruleni uJulius Mkhwanazi kunye nendaba yamalampa ahlaza.
I've been advised to also place on record that I'm a suspect in case involving the EMPD, and I therefore do not wish to answer any question regarding my interaction with the EMPD.
uMatlala ubhalile ukuphendula nangobudlelwano bakhe noMike van Wyk obuvele ebufakazini beMedicare 24 obuvele ngokuthumelana kwabo imilayezo yeWhatsApp etshengisa bona babili laba batsho bebasebenzisana ekuthengiseni nekukhuthisweni kwendakamizwa.
Mike van Wyk, he was my business partner and is a witness in the Medicare matter. I am therefore exercising my constitutional right as an accused not to respond to or answer any questions pertaining to him or our relationship.
Matlala uragele phambili nendlela yakhe yokungafuni ukuphendula eminye imibuzo ephathelene nesekela likakomitjhinara wamapholisa uShadrack Sibiya. Kodwa ukomitjhinara ukhonile ukukhupha eminye imininingwana engahlanganiko evela kuMatlala.
That you don't want to talk about the nature, extent, frequency of your communications with General Sibiya, because if you do, you are at risk of incriminating yourself in some offense, because by their very nature, they would be breaching the law. That's my proposition to you. What's your response?
I cannot argue with you on that.
Okay.
That's how you see it.
Ukulayelwa kwekomishini kuyaraga.
Emakhethweni wabohulumende bendawo ka-2021 yabonakala ifika ngamandla ihlangano yomphakathi inamakwa Civic Movement. Ihlangano yomphakathi ehlaguna iKapa beyidoswa phambili bodorhotere abasesebatsha bamanye amalunga omphakathi. Ihlangano le yafumana isekelo elikhulu esingeni namakwa zombelele beyafumana inhlalo kibo masipalatabane. Njeke yachitela ikhetho labohulumende bendawo lika-2026 kanti ihlangano le izilungiselela ukuvikela indawo enesekelo kizo. Kani EDA nePatriotic Alliance nazo zifuna amavoto kiso isiphandeso.
Ngemva kwekhetho lika 2021 inamakwa civic movement yafumana amavoti ayi 20.84% esingini senamakwa. Amakhetho alonyaka azokwenza kubonakale bona indlela yayo edzimelele khulu emphakathini le ingajuguluka naye ibe kusekelwe epolitikini okuragako.
We've achieved turning the municipality around, increasing its revenue, writing off and getting to write off 500 million rand in debt. But the battle is not yet complete, the battle is not yet won.
Nakusenjalo, i-ANC imemezela abongikhethani babomeyari bomasipalata abambalwa elizweni zombelele. Ihlangano le imemezela abongikhethani bomasipalata abathathu. Okuchiya imbuzo malungana namahlelo e-ANC njengoba nekuyiwe emakhethweni abohulumende bendawo.
That always come true during each elections. But if you look at what has been an elephant in the room from the African National Congress has always been its internal fights, these internal fights. And I strongly believe that this strategy by the African National Congress, not only in the Free State but nationally, it's to manage these internal fights.
Bingcelo amakhetho kaSinyikhaba nje, i-ANC imemezele nabanye abahlanu engenzeka babe bongikhethani kumasipalata weMaluti aphofong osemrarweni. Kubalwa kibo uTumelo Thebe.
Phetheze inhlangano zepolitiki i-National Freedom Party ilelise ngokuthi ukulahlekelwa amalunga abalelayo ekhulwini engasele ajoyine i-IFP kuyiceda amandla ukuya phambili ejimini layo lokulungiselela amakhetho. Usihlalo we-NFP KwaZulu-Natal uMbalishinga uthi ukuqeruka kwamalunga wabo kuvela ngesikhathi esimbi ehlanganweni le kukunje ecalene nomraro weziphi zangaphakathi kubaholi.
I-NFP iqalene negandelelo elikhulu ngaphambi kwamakhetho wabohulumende bendawo njengoba nakubonakala ukuhlukana ngaphakathi kukhamselelwa nakukhamba kwamalunga amakhulu wehlangano le ajoyine i-IFP. Sezinyanga ihlangano le inomraro wobuholi, ukujanyiswa kwamalunga kunye nokukhutshwa kwabajameli abakhethiweko. Ushinga uthi imbango yezomthethosisekelo, ukukhutshwa kwabaholi abakhethiweko nokuhlogeka kwendlela elandelwako kwezepolitiki ngezinye izinto ezithundubaza ihlangano le.
And NFP is known for service delivery. People need the NFP on the ground. So I use this moment to, call on our members not to defect, but rather approach leadership to raise their concern.
Isikhundla sikaShinga naso singaphakathi kombango wobuholi. Ushinga uthi nanyana kusathlayela isekelo ebuholini belizwe behlangano le, kodwana yena uzibophelele ku-NFP.
Umsolwa weminyaka ema-22 ubudala uvele ekhotho kamagistrata weMdantsane eMpumalanga Kapa malungana nokubulawa kwekutani yezamaguduva uZolani Tete. Umsolwa uvele ekhotho akhamba ngesihlalo sabakhubazekileko ubawa ibheyili ngenxa yobujamo bakhe bempilo. Umbuso uhlongoza ukusiphikisa isibawezo. Umsolwa uqalene nelinye icala lokulinga ukubulala. Icala lithuliselwe kusasa nakuyokufakwa isibawo sebheyili.
Usokholelwa ukuba akunokuba semdleni wobulungisa ukuba umrhanelwa lo anganikwa ibheyili. Uxoxe ngelithi nokhuseleko lwakhe lungaba sebungciphekweni ngenxa yesanqwe eliza nelityala. Wongeza ngelithi umrhanelwa lo angaphazamisa uphando ukuba angayinikwa ibheyili.
This is a case, Your Worship, that has drawn public outcry, not only in your district of Mdantsane, but countrywide.
Kodwa amagqwetha akhe amile ngelithi kuyanyanzelekwa ayinike le bheyili ngenxa yemeko yakhe yezempilo.
But for reasons which I've started with, which is his medical condition, we would, Your Worship, rely on the principle, which is commonly known, that bail applications are urgent in their nature, and thus we would request that this matter be transferred to bail court.
NgoLwesibini ngabarhanelwa abathathu ekulindeleke bavele okokuqala kwinkundla kamantyi eMdantsane mayelana neli tyala. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba ze-SABC eMdantsane.
babuyiselwe ngemaseleni abasebenzi abalikhomba bakumasipalata weMfuleni. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokubana ikhotho kaMagistrata weFanda the Bay Park ilithulisele iveke zayo ngoMvulo icala labo kuyokufaka imbawo zebheyili.
Bebasebenza eminyangweni obuthelela imali ngeniso nemali zegezi kumasipalata lo. Baqalane namacala afaka hlangana ukukhwabanisa, ukweba, nokukhukuthisa imali nokuphazamisa imithangalasekelo kamasipalata. Amapholisa asolwa ngokukhwabanisa imali zezakhamuzi bazithathela bona. Kuzwakala nokuthi kade bafuna nokubana imali ibhadelwe ema-akhawuntini abo ukuthi bathungelele ngobutsha igezi egciniweko.
At the moment, Your Worship, 4 counts. One of tampering with essential infrastructure, the second one being that of fraud, the third one being that of theft and money laundering.
Umasipalata weMfuleni ukwamkele ukubotshwa kwabasolwa.
But we welcome this, and we are saying that we are against corruption, we are against fraud, and everybody must account for their actions.
Basolwa abahlanu ababotshwe ngesikhathi amapholisa asejimeni lokubhudula eVan der Bijl Park ngelesihlanu. Kwathi abasolwa ababili babotshwa ngoSondo.
Ngokukhutshwe incwadi yokubotshwa komvumi nosaziwa kwethelevishini umulimo Jub Marohanye ngemva kokubhalelwa kuvela ikhotho kaMagistrata weJimmiston namhlanje kuseni. Icwetha lakhe uHenry Mutsime lithi uMarohanye akhange akhona ukuvela ikhotho namhlanje ngoba uyagula.
uMarohanye uqalene namaqala ahlobana nokuphatha isigidi, ukuthumba kunye nokukhandela ukusebenza komthetho ngesehlakalo esenzeke ngenyanga kaMgwengweni esifaka hlangana umtshayeli wamateksi amancane abhadelwako. Mutseme uthi incwadi yokubotshwa kwakhe ngeyamalanga ali-14 izokusebenza nangabe akaveli ekhotho ngesikhathi abekelwe sonesi ukuthi avele. Iphiko lezotshiswa komphakathi lithi sele lizilungiselele ukuragana ecaleni. Icala lithuliselwe mhla amalanga nakalikhomba kuKhukhulamungu.
Nasibuya entolo.
Take us through water tanks. Some they get water from the stream, from rivers. We went to every spheres of the government.
Izakhamuzi zelophisi hlanu kwepinari eMpumalanga zithi yonke imizamo yabo yokulinga ukufumana amanzi ipalelwe, ngikho sebachakala nje. Sisaragana indaba laphambukeli nazikuphundileko ziyatholakala ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X naku-Facebook. Asirage nazo. Izakhamuzi zelophisi hlanu kwepinari eMpumalanga zithi yonke imizamo yabo yokulinga ukufumana amanzi emphakathini lo ayibonakala. Izakhamuzi ezi zicabe indlela ngamatshe namagatsha wemithi kunye nefucufucu ejimeni labo lokuchakala. Balila ngokuthi sekuphele iminyaka eli-10 yonke impompi zabo zomile nangaphezulu kwemizamo yabo yokukhulumisana nemphathimandla.
Izakhamuzi zivale indlela engenako nephumako eluphisi. Ngokutsho kwabo isiqundo sokubana bavale indlela akukabi isiqundo esilula kibo. Bathi batsho siza ngemva kokubanjwa kwemihlangano eminingi, ukuthunyelwa kwemitlolo yencwadi kunye nokungenelwa kwamajima wemchakalo. Izakhamuzi ezi zilila ngokungaphakelwa amanzi begodu zithi batsho zikateleleka ukuthenga amanzi entankeni.
Been buying water for 10 years through water tanks. We have families that are not privileged. They can't afford to buy water. People getting water from the water tank. Sometimes the water tank is come early in the morning, maybe at 4 a.m. People have to get water before they go to school or to work. Some they get water from the stream. We didn't take the decision today. We went to every spheres of the government, municipal, everywhere. But we didn't get, we even wrote a letter that we want water in our community.
Ikampani ephakela ngamanzi endaweni le isululumanzi iphaye insolo zokubana indawo le seyiqede iminyaka eli-10 inganamanzi.
It is not true that Lupisi has been without water for the last 10 years. Lupisi, just like all the nearby villages, receive water supply on a rotational basis due to the water demand in these informal areas.
Izakhamuzi zendaweni le zijamise amajima wokuchakala nakusethulwa imphakamiso ezenziwe yikhampani ephakela ngamanzi iSululumanzi.
Elokishini le-Alexandra eStwetla kuthiwa kunabantu abakha imihlahla nabo emathuneni njenganje-ke sele basebenzisa amatshe ukusekela nokujamisa imihlahla nabo. Isibalo semihlahlana esekelwe ngamatshe sibonakala sikhuphuka ekusekumise izakhamuzi ukuthi ziyokugiriza imihlahlana le.
Enakusilolodwa maningi.
Zilile zimathosi zakhamuzi zemhlahlaneni ye-Alexandra endaweni ebiza ngeStwetla zithi amathuna wamalunga wemndenayo selaphenduka indawo yokuhlala yabantu abaphila kom.
Amathuna wethu aphenduke indawo yokudlalela noma kumele uze uzoyenza izinto zakho ukufaka i-tombstone you find yourself in a situation ukuthi uba novalo because uyathuselwa akukho safe for wena.
Izakhamuzi zithi okubuhlungu khulu ukuthi namathuna wenkutanzi elizweni akasaziwa ukuthi ayokukhonjwa phi.
Kunabantu la abantu ababalekile amathuna wabala, but nowadays mongabuza ukuthi aphi ngeke uyithole answer.
Kodwa nanya nanginjalo ezinye izakhamuzi zithi zafudusa kwenye indawo zalethwa lapha kwathiwa zizakhele aziyazi ukuthi kunamathuna lapha.
Eyokuba sakhe phezulu kwamangcwaba siyazi kuba thina sasinikezwe umhlaba kwathiwa masakhe.
If abanye abekho kuduzane emathuna thina asizongena sihlala.
So lilonke ubone abanye wanawo waqonda ukuthi
Nithi hawu nabanye bahleli yabona kusho ukuthi i-right. Nathi sangena sahlala.
iJoburg City Parks ithi banaba abogada bagada amathuna kodwa nanya nanginjalo umraro omkhulu abaqalana nawo kukona komthangalasisekelo.
Our cemeteries are very vast, so we have park rangers that are constantly on patrol, specifically on cemeteries.
Izakhamuzi zikhonjela ukuthi ziphathe kuhle imthangalasisekelo yamathuna bezihloniphe imithetho yabo masipalata. Ngingonontokozo Sikhosana wendaba ze-SABC ngikubekela ngise-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Asicele umbono wakho mbukeli ngendaba emalungana nokuthi abantu sebazihlomela imihlahlana emathuneni eStwetla e-Alexandra. Akupheleli lapho bakhunula namatshe wamathuna basekele imihlahlana.
Uyabona abantu bathenjiswa izindlu azikho ayikho indawo abantu ayikho into abazoyenza ingako bahamba bayokwakha emathuneni manje.
Abantu be-Alexandra abalisi ukwakha imihlahlana mhathi phezu kwamathuna mhathi. Amathuna mhathi ayahlonitshwa.
Abantu masebeshonile bayahlonishwa abaphazanyiswa endaweni yabo kuphumula masebeyiphumulele.
Umuntu omnyama ulala phezu kwethuna lamuntu angamazi awazozibusele bezimu laba mhathi.
E-Alexandra igcwele amaphandle khulu yikho ku-overcrowded nje.
Ngicabanga ukuthi isiko nokuyihlonipha iqhubu lethu sokusilahlekele sesidinga umthandazo.
Angithemba ukuthi abanye abahlali yibo abahlali bala eSouth Africa originally abantu abasahlonipha ama-graveyard yazi.
Mhathi sayaphi isimilo emntwini onzima usesekuncane lokuthi ukuthi basakweba namaliwa labakhiphe ingubo lezi bangcwaba ngazo abantu bazikhiphe bazivase balale ngazo namkha bathathe amabhoksi laba basengawo. Mhathi kwenzakalani e-Alexandra kanti?
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayikazokuthwasa umlando ukuziphendulela kombono wombukeli. Ngezimali iranda lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Nangubusa emathebula jame ngomumo bona kwethulele ubujamo bezulu. Mhlali kwaNampala.
Siyaloshisa ekhaya ngomvulo sithemba ukuthi phela veke bemnandi siqalela lapha ubujamo bezulu sibona lapha eSouth Africa livulile endaweni eziningi zinkomba zomoyana lezi ozibonako kanti ngegwini ukusuka lapha eSouth ukufikela lapha endaweni zabomthatha sibona lapha ke kunamafu ngegwini hlanu kwelwandle kusasa nasithi siyaqala ke endaweni eziningi khulukhulu ke ngapha ngembombela esifundeni sempumalanga ngaleke ngakubo Richards Bay sibona lapha ikungu nalapha eDurban kubomthatha wehlele njalo nangale endaweni zange Cape Town neGeorge yelela ucheche ekseni na uchayelako siyakuchitela ukwazi ukubona ukuthi kanjani amazinga okuchisa ekseni kumakhazana eJohannesburg nge5 iSprings nge7 kodwa nangokuhamba kwesikhathi sibona lapha kufuthumela kamnandi ePitori nge26 iBroncosspruit 25 iJohannesburg nge24 iSprings neVereeniging nge25 selimpopo ke lapha nakhona ke ekseni nje ngakumakhazana kancane kupholile ngokuhamba kwesikhathi lapha eMsina kuyachisa nge30 Phalaburwa nge32 nakhona kuyachisa eMkopane nalapha ePhulukwane kufuthumele nge28 nange26 asiyoqalela isifunda sangempumalanga naso ke ekseni umoya nomakhaza kodwa nangokuhamba kwesikhathi sifunda sonke sifuthumele kamnandi ngapha ngemalahleni nge24 sekunda 26 bomhlanga 28 nalapha eKwaGafontein lapha esikhukhuza ke kuyachisa nge31 degrees Celsius uqala lapha ke isifunda sangale ngakwaZulu Natal sibona lapha eRichards Bay futhumele nge28 iDurban nge24 kanti ke lapha ePietermaritzburg nge27 ePort Shepstone kupholile ngemva kwamadina nge22 kusePumalanga Kapa ke lapha nakhona ekseni kumakhaza kodwa nangokuhamba kwesikhathi sibona endaweni ezingehla lapha eTlagwini zifuthumele ukuthi ke eGqeberha kupholile nge20 ngemva kwamadina Jingalanga Kapa ke yona ngayimakhazana ngegwini lapha eCape Town kuya ngokuphola ngemva kwamadina nge19 Mossel Bay 17 neGeorge nasiyoqala lapha ke isifunda sangeTlagwini Kapa nasekuseni kumakhaza khulukhulu lapha eCalvina -3 neSutherland kodwa nangokuhamba kwesikhathi kuyafuthumela Uppington kuyachisa nge32 lapha eda27 iFreystata leya nayo ke kuseni kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi Bloemfontein ifuthumela kamnandi nge27 nalapha ke eFrankfurt nabo Kroonstad nge27 kokugcina iNorthwest nayo ke kuseni kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi iRustenburg yachisa nge30 Mahikeng futhumele nge29 asibonani kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako Dido